traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I do think this is likely the end of a wave 3. I think we are likely in a corrective wave 4, which potentially, will take at least 6, 8 months or possibly even more to play out before it goes up and makes a wave 5. I'm looking at the 150 area because of the 50% Fibonacci as a likely area for this to end. So going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave A. Whether the wave A is over or not, I think is still very debatable. I think it still could try to go down one more time before it actually goes up and makes a wave B, and then down later on again for a wave C. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, I still think there's a chance that this might try to make another attempt on the downtrend for like a wave 5. But I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because if we do get like a really good Fibonacci bounce, like a nice engulfing move to the upside, then that probably is going to tell me that this is actually already in a wave B, which is a crescent to the wave A. So I'm still looking for shorts, but I'm just watching these Fibonacci levels very, very closely. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely still a downtrend. Like I said, I'm watching these fib levels very, very closely. If we get like a big engulfing move with like a good break of structure at any one of these fib levels, then you probably should stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. But until that happens, if it continues to make lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low, if it continues to make the lower low, lower high series, then definitely just continue to trade with the trend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, we are at a fib level. So if it does go up and break structure, then okay, probably would be a good idea to start looking for longs. If not, if it just makes a normal Fibonacci bounce, which most fib levels do bounce from, and then it makes another lower high, another impulsive move up, 3 waves up, impulsive down, especially if you put your Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. So if you see 3 waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level of this last move down with a nice fib bounce, I would go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.